Just a quick point of view for you today. Stop selling information. See, if you look back for the past number of years, there's been more information created and stored than all of previous history combined. It's readily available, but by itself has very little value. Instead, sell transformation. Let me explain what I mean. Whether you're a plumber, a technician, a realtor, a software developer, a business owner, a retailer, whatever it is that you do, and you deal with people on a daily basis, take all the products and all the services that you offer and turn them into transformation products and services. Here's what that means. It means that when you market and sell with the goal of transforming your clients from where they are now. I personally use it in my real estate business from interacting with colleagues and clients, even when I'm negotiating. I even take it as deep as when I'm writing descriptions on listings, which I'm going to give you an example of here shortly. Now, I do it by selling people to buy what they believe it is they need and telling them about the transformation my service will give them and not the actual stuff. Let's go over a couple examples here. So if we look at the first example, check out this 2-story home with new roof, AC unit, brand new appliances, huge backyard with deck and a walkout basement. Lots of updates done, double attached garage with finished driveway. Now let's look at a second example. You're going to love this charming 2-story home with spectacular panoramic views. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a 2-car garage will give you 1,800 square feet of generous space to move about without losing that quaint, cozy atmosphere when it's time to cuddle up by the fireplace with a good book. Wake up each morning to awe-inspiring sunrises in the east and drift off to sleep each night with the tranquil sounds of nature, and so on and so forth. Hopefully you get the point. As you can see, the first example was the actual stuff. And in a second, we painted a picture of what this home could do for the buyer, hence transforming them into that vision. Now, most of you won't ever go through the trouble or have the patience to go the extra mile. But paying attention to all the details going the extra mile is why my real estate business is booming on an upwards trend. Remember, stop selling information and start selling transformation. Have a great day, and I'll chat with you soon.